Mla Barim ka West Shillong uba Mohendro Rapsang ula penyoso no iradi shakaseng BJP da ka baong ba ka jingalam jong umintri rang ba adu ka riu Narendra Modi kala pen shlor ya uban wan Pdiang Shah jing shakri paidbah ya Rapsang la Pdiang Shah ka BJP du president ka BJP Meghalaya urikman ji Mumin bat umintri sorkar uba san Bor Shuh Habakran harian ke jingaso Rapsang ulaong ba untrei na ka binta ka jingbha jingmiat jong ki paidbah bat unra ashakman ye kijing angno jong ki paidbah ha ka binta san hima sima urikman momin ula Pdiang smobha ya Rapsang bat ulaong ba ka jingwan jong u kan pinklan shushu ya ka nongrim jong ka BJP hawes Shillong ula pin pauru ba ka BJP kalong ka baplela di kino kibakwa ban pinyeso ban trei na ka binta ka roi ka par jong ka Jylla Kumban Shukro, Mohendro Rapsang, Ubri Mla Barim ka Congress, Ula Yakun na West Shillong, Haka election arajar arpulai na ka NPP, Hindray Ula Shah Rem ho Lingdo jong ka UDP.
And welcome our honorable former MLA, Mynta. He has come here today, he has joined BJP formally, and we are going to work together. As you are asking about my former president, Ioh Bor Shuh, see, he is already proposed to go to Calcutta, so I think he is on his own way to Calcutta. He is not in the station. So he gave truly a good wishes to all Raksamji.
Okay, so now how do you fight? Because from West Shillong constituency, Paul Lingdo is the sitting MLA. So definitely
in politics, you know, every party wants its own party to grow. So we never underestimate other political parties. As a BJP, we will work and we will work together. So there is no question of Paul or Rapsang or Maori or anyone else. So as a party, we are going to work together to win the constituency. In politics, you know, in the party, everyday joining is there. So whenever there is a people who wants to join, we accept. We welcome everyone. Anyone can come and join the BJP party to strengthen the party and to bring up the party so that the schemes, projects which government of India has already allotted to Meghalaya, that has to reach to the concerned beneficiaries.
But when will be the next join?
Most probably this week so continuously.
Is any former MLA is joining the party?
That I will not able to reveal right now, but joining will be going on.
So my question to you, the joining of
Never issue ticket to anyone. In BJP, everyone is welcome to strengthen the party.
And if
A good leaders, a prominent leaders joins, naturally the party will grow.
the name for the candidate for the by-election, has the party taken any decision or will?
This question has been asking from last 3-4 months.
But will you consider if tomorrow Rapsang wants to contest? Will you consider?
That is not in my hand. That is in the National Parliamentary Report. Election Parliamentary Report, sorry.
when can we expect the party announcing its party?
See, as usual, our central leadership always wait for the announcement from the election commission. So till now, election commission has not yet, it's nothing to rush. We are getting ready with our own work.
Today you in Mahendraganj.
Mahendraganj, of course, I also see the news, but I think that is not by Bangladesh. I think that is some mental disorder person only who is roaming around in that area. And lastly, it has been resolved peacefully.
But there is an attempt to even push. What do you think about this Bangladesh attempt?
See, that I cannot say that. Whether they are doing it legally or illegally, so that I cannot, right now I cannot tell you.
And what do you
Infiltration, though, we are totally against illegal infiltration. Where legally someone is coming, then we cannot say anything about that. But illegally, we are totally against it, and we will work against it also.
Today is only members of the state BGP units, and then the Mandal which are here, all, and all my well wishers also from TV today to join this grand party. As I take this significant step, I'm honored to join the Bharatiya Janata Party today, the 23rd of June 2026, and stand among the pillars of strong and prosperous India. Under the visionary and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing with strength, confidence, and global respect. His commitment to nation building, efforts in transforming India into a prosperous and self-reliant country inspired me to dedicate myself to continue public service. The DGP has made it clear that we must listen to the aspiration of the people, and that's the objective I'll take forward. I'm committed to working sincerely for the welfare of the people. I extend my gratitude to the member of this great party for welcoming me into this great family. I will work for the progress of our state, our nation, and I seek the support and the blessing of everyone as I begin this new journey. I'll strive to make our journey together a story of progress, prosperity, a pride for Meghalaya and India. Jai Hind, thank you, Meghalaya.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.